Welcome to YouTube channel. Here's video on how to install earlier macOS on second partition on Mac. Learn below tips. First is create a new partition for install another macOS. Second is download macOS Mojave from macOS Catalina. Third is create macOS Mojave bootable drive. Fourth is install macOS Mojave on another partition on a Mac. Fifth is switch between two macOS on a Mac. Sixth, follow on-screen instructions to set up macOS Mojave. Seventh is switch and use between macOS on a Mac. First of all, open disk utility on Mac using Spotlight Search or from Launchpad. Once it opens, select the primary Macintosh HD drive, and click on Partition. Go to Partition button and click on plus sign to allot new space on drive. Here I am creating 100 GB drive for install macOS Mojave. Use circle bar to change in storage space. Now click on apply. It will take the time, depends on storage on Mac. And wait for the process done. Apple doesn't allow to show earlier version of macOS after upgrade to latest version on Mac. Right now my Mac installed macOS Catalina, unable to find macOS Mojave on App Store. To get it, open Safari and search macOS Mojave App Store in Google. You will see download link and click on view in Mac App Store, click it. Safari will redirect to App Store and find the options for download macOS Mojave. Tap on get to download and wait for show download option. Around 6 GBs download fill will take time, depends on internet connectivity speed. Now create a bootable USB drive from downloaded macOS Mojave setup file that is located under the application folder. Connect USB drive on Mac, and first of all erase the USB drive. Open disk utility and select the drive from sidebar and click on erase button in macOS extended format. Now open terminal from Spotlight Search or Launchpad. Type below command that given in below video description. Don't forget to change the name with your USB drive name. Here's I failed because my volume is not my USB drive name. Change it with untitled and hit the return button to run command. Also enter your Mac system password. To continue the process, press the Y button from keyboard. Now it will take time to make bootable drive up to 100%. That's it. We are ready to install new macOS using bootable drive. Now your drive is ready after got the message install media now available at. Now don't unplug the USB drive from Mac. Open USB drive from Finder sidebar. Now the next step is start installation from bootable drive in desired partition. Shut down Mac, and turn on again. Now quickly press the option key from keyboard to show startup disk. Here's you can find USB drive. Click on it. To set up and installation start. Wait for a few minutes and follow the on-screen instruction. Next you have a multiple options to select the partition and install into that. We can select the same drive partition for downgrade macOS and another partition for install different macOS on different partition. Here I am going to recently created partition named macOS Mojave partition. Select it and click on install. The installation start automatically. Now don't unplug the drive or turn off Mac power. Wait for the welcome screen and set up usually that we're doing on another OS. Also check out video for basic understanding. Now the next step is how to switch between two macOS on a Mac after install different macOS on different Mac drive partition. Now set up your macOS Mojave. In between you will find the option for restore backup from Time Machine if you have taken previously. Or copy from Windows PC. Select the third option if you install new copy without data. You can restore backup here if you are getting message like this copy of the install macOS application is too old to be opened on this version of macOS. Next steps is how to switch between two macOS on a Mac after installed on different partition. Primary is macOS Catalina and second is macOS Mojave. Turn off your Mac and turn on again. Quickly press and hold Option key to get startup drive. Select a drive and start macOS Mojave or Catalina. Repeat the same process to switch macOS.